Hello everyone, let's start with our fifth question. This question have two choices. Let's start with first one. In skywave mode of propagation, why is the frequency range of transmitting signals restricted to less than 30 MHz? Okay, this is our question. Here I also define a skywave propagation for you. In skywave propagation, the radio waves emitted from the transmitting antenna reach the receiving antenna after the reflection in the ionosphere, and it is also known as ionosphere propagation. And I have highlighted the answer for you. The reason is the frequency range of transmitting signal restricted to less than 30 megahertz, because for every layer of ionosphere there is a certain maximum frequency of electromagnetic wave above which the wave is not reflected back but gets reflected. So the electromagnetic waves of frequency more than 30 megahertz are not reflected from ionosphere but get reflected. This is the answer of first one first. Now let try the second one. On what factor does the range of coverage is in ground wave propagation depend? So we have to tell about the factors which depend on the range of ground wave propagation. Uh, I have described ground wave propagation for you. It is in ground wave propagation. It is a method of radio wave propagation that uses the area between the surface of Earth and the ionosphere for transmission. And these are the factors that depend upon ground wave propagation. The first one is the density of ionization of the layer, frequency of radio wave, and angle at which it starts the surface. This is the answer for your solution. This one.